If you want to learn how to overlay in CapCut Laptop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to add overlays on CapCut Desktop, whether you want to place a video, photo, or other visual on top of your main clip. This is a great editing skill for making your videos look more dynamic, more professional, and way more engaging. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your laptop and start a new project. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Import button and click it to upload all the media you need. That means your main footage plus the overlay file you want to place on top. This could be a second video, a photo, a graphic, or any visual element you want to add into your edit. Once your files are imported, the first thing you want to do is set your background clip. Drag your main video down to the bottom track on the timeline. This is important because your main footage needs to sit underneath everything else. Think of this as the base layer of your edit. Now that your main clip is in place, it's time to add the overlay. Grab your second video or image and drag it down to a new track directly above the main clip. This creates the layered effect that CapCut uses for overlays. If you place the overlay on the same track, it will replace the first clip, so make sure it goes on a track above your main video. After that, click on the overlay clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. Then look at the preview window and use the corners of the overlay to resize it. You can make it smaller or larger, depending on what you want it to look like. If you want the overlay to sit in a specific part of the screen, just click and drag it into position. You can place it in a corner, move it to the center, or line it up with any area of the frame that works best for your design. This is the part where you can get creative. For example, you might add a small picture-in-picture clip, a facecam video, a product image, a logo, or even a reaction clip. The same basic method works for all of them. Just make sure the overlay doesn't cover important parts of your main video, unless that's the effect you want. If needed, you can keep adjusting the size and position until it looks balanced and clean. Take a moment to scrub through the timeline and make sure everything lines up properly. If the overlay starts too early or ends too late, you can trim it just like any other clip, so it only appears when you want it to. That little adjustment can make your edit feel much smoother and more intentional. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know how to add an overlay in CapCut Laptop, you can use this technique in tons of different projects. From YouTube videos to tutorials, promos, reaction videos, and more. It's one of the easiest ways to make your edits stand out without needing advanced editing skills. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.